So right here, the vinyl was touching, after we laid it here, it was just loosely over here. During the wrapping, I thought that it was loose enough over here. It actually adhered pretty good. So when I lifted the trunk, it ripped it. It ripped along here, and the vinyl stuck here. So what we did was we trimmed a piece. Let's get this trunk to stop moving. You can see right there, that's a line in the vinyl. We had to patch a little bit. So right through here, there was a little bit of rip on the edge, and it probably wouldn't have been noticeable, but we didn't like it, so we trimmed a piece and kind of did some patchwork. But overall, I don't think you can really tell that it's there. There it is. So, onto the hood.